This one's tricky because we have a refrigerator that's like going out, and I really don't want to capture a lot of the refrigerator, so I'm going to go this way, make the countertop parallel with the edge of my camera. I'm not using that as an alignment. I'm just making this parallel with my camera, and then I'm using the other vertical lines as my guide. Okay, so we're going to do that. That looks good. Otherwise, if I go right here, you're going to see a lot of refrigerator, and that's literally a third of the screen. So I'm not showing as much real estate as I possibly can. So here, my grid is probably going to be the edge of this table, maybe. We'll see. And confirming, yes, it is going to be the edge of the table. Okay, so I want to make that edge parallel. Like that. And I'm balancing how much I see of the right door and the face of the cabinet there. I'm balancing that to be the same weight. Might be able to go a little bit higher. This will show more room. This is a really nice kitchen, but it's also really, really long. Okay, so I'm gonna possibly do the same thing on this side, except rather than making the table parallel, I'm just gonna get a corner of the table. So we have the two seats in there, we have the door completion to the laundry room, and then we have the face of the cabinet onto the right. As much cabinet is how much wall we have over there. And this seems like a lot of ceiling. I'm gonna lower it after this. So if I lower it, okay, I get more of this, and that's fine. Okay, so we have dishwasher on that side, so I'm gonna do a 24. We're gonna look down the aisle here, and then I might position that sink on the left in frame to completion. Okay, we're gonna get that. We're gonna see what it looks like with 20. Nope, we're gonna stick with 24. There's another dishwasher. Wow. So you could really have a party here. But the thing is, like, the disconnect between Airbnb and the actual use of Airbnb is you want the space to accommodate the guests, the number of guests. So for instance, if this were all filled, is it 2 or 3 bedrooms? 2 bedrooms. Okay, so we have 2 bedrooms. We have 4 here, 4 chairs. But then you have like 2 sinks and 2 dishwashers. I mean, it's enough for the space. I was just gonna say, like, this is a big place for just 2 people. And if downstairs is accommodating for 4 guests upstairs and 4 guests downstairs, I guess if they're going in together and this is one unit for Airbnb, yeah, that would make sense. But it doesn't look like it. It looks like downstairs is its own, up here is its own. But the kitchen is overkill in my opinion. So we have that. And then now I'm gonna try to get all the appliances in one shot here. I don't think this is gonna look intentional of getting the appliances and culinary, but to me it is. So we'll see. Okay, so we already have a corner shot here from this side. We have a corner shot there, corner shot there. We have 2 aisle shots. Oh, we got somebody here. Hello.
How are you?
Doing well, how are you?
Good.
I'm the photographer.
Oh, well, I'm just Justin's dad. I'm
Oh, cool. Okay. The windows?
Yeah.
Okay. They all looked great. None of them stood out. I've only shot that area, and I'm shooting this area now. And then next is the bedrooms. But if you're going to be doing the bedrooms up here.
I can go downstairs.
Okay. I was going to say, I can go downstairs too while you clean up here.
I have to do these out here.
Okay.
On the outside. I think I've done the insides.
Yeah.
So, and then I have the outside bedroom. So, downstairs, I just have the bedroom over there. And
Okay.
one down there. So wherever.
Okay. I'm just now setting up to shoot this, and then I have to shoot the dining room. but I've already done this right over here.
I've done all these windows.
Okay. But over here, I saw that there's one screen on the window, and I just moved it into here. So if you're looking for that screen, it's right here.
Okay. I'll put the screen in.
It's not super urgent right now for the photos.
Actually, I think Justin said he cleaned these, so I can put it in now.
Okay. Yeah.
It doesn't matter though, right?
It doesn't matter. Yeah. I was just letting you know, in case you were here doing some repairs and just putting things back.
Just the windows.
Okay. But yeah, those little things don't show up in the photos. Yeah.
There's.
Okay. I'll be up here for probably another 20 minutes ish. Maybe sooner. I got here and turned on all the lights and tried to get familiar with everything. It's a nice property.
Yeah, it's got not too many people have
A detached.
And this says shed here.
Yeah, I saw that. That was really cool. And the one thing with the shed, I noticed that the door was cracked open, and I tried closing it. It doesn't latch.
doesn't latch.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'll tell Justin. It doesn't
Okay.
latch. I'll have to look at it because the strike's not coming on.
Got it. Okay. And that was my only concern. I made a note of it in case, he comes back, asking about it being open.
I know.
Yeah.
I've seen it. I've been, what's he leaving that open for?
Exactly. Exactly. So in there, I'm going to get just the outside of it. I noticed inside wasn't like staged or anything. Is that detached garage able to be shot inside? Is it ready for inside or just...
It's whacked all open for you. It's pretty ugly.
Then I won't worry about it. I'll just get the outside.
Last
Yeah.
time I looked, it was pretty gross.
Okay.
It was the garage.
Yeah. The garage I'm not going to shoot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw that.
It's kind of doggy. Unless he's cleaned it. Yeah, he's got a lot to...
So were these both like independent Airbnb rentals or just downstairs being...
He lived here.
Okay.
On this floor.
Yeah.
But he didn't live on this floor when this was all done.
Yeah.
He lived on the floor when it was a horrible looking thing. Now it's looking good. He's not living here.
Yeah, there you go. That's how it is, right?
Yeah, he didn't get to live in this nice place.
Okay, awesome. Well, I'll go ahead and finish up here then.
It'll take me a while down here. So.
Okay, no problem. So we have this here. Lower this. They have under cabinet lighting on this side. But I don't know if they have it on that side. We're going to get it right here. We're going to start. And then we're just going to get a sliver of that refrigerator. We're not using the refrigerator for alignment. And I'm still not in love with this. But we just need it. Okay, so one manually. And then another remotely. Take it off smartphone because it delays the response between the camera and the snapping the photo.